that celery juice is popular beverage that often acclaimed for its health benefits, including weight loss? This homemade detox juice is perfectly balanced in taste and offers a range of benefits for your body, including anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and weight loss effects. To make the most of nutrition in celery juice, you should use this drink in the morning, when you wake up, and about 30 minutes before breakfast. Hi everyone! Before I start my activity, I usually do exercising in my neighborhood, do some groceries, and make a juice for me and my whole family. By the way, small activities like exercising can make your body help you to control your weight, reduce your risk of heart disease, help your body manage blood sugar and insulin levels, improve your mental health and mood as well, and also can help keep your thinking, learning, and judgment skill sharp as you age. I am Samarisa. In this video, I would like to share how to make a nice celery, ginger, and lemon juice with all the benefits inside. Let's get started. Please choose nice and fresh of celery and grab one fresh of lemon and also one root of ginger. And to add more flavor, you can get some mint leaf. First of all, cut off the end of the celery. Cut the celery in pieces. You can have the leaves on or cut them off. If you are sensitive to bitter flavors though, you can cut them off before making the juice. Don't get rid of the heart of the celery, the lighter piece of celery, because these are typically the sweetest piece of celery. Next is wash the celery properly. Wash this really well because obviously you're not gonna want to drink that dirt, right? So bring your celery over to your sink and give it a really good wash and scrubbing with your hands. Wash the inside stalk of the celery as well. And you can wash the ginger and cut the lemon. You also can add some mint to add some flavor. Put all the ingredients to the cold press juicer and start to juice it all. Here you are, nice and fresh celery, lemon, and ginger juice. Enjoy! And that is all I have for you in today's video. Please feel free to like, share, comments, and hit that subscribe button and the notification button next to the little bell so you are up to date with all my videos. And until next time, bye bye!